Selvakumar this side from St. Gobain Gyprock. We have put up a stall basically representing Gyprock as well as Weber. Gyprock is a plasterboard manufacturing company. We are into the solution of walls and partitions as well as the ceilings. Here we have demonstrated the drywall technology, which is very light in weight, which is very faster to construct. It is the future of construction. The brick, the sand, everything is going to be not a sustainable product anymore. So this replacement with drywalls will be a faster and it will take it will be cost effective as well. About you can save about 15 to 20% on your structural cost as well. And it can go up, since it is light in weight, it can go at little taller, and all your tall races buildings, especially residentials, or we're currently doing a project in Bombay which is 115-story building. For complete walls are all completely with the drywall technology. Everything within the apartment can be completely with the drywalls, including the wet application. Here we have demonstrated the waterproofing, the tiling can be pasted on it, the loadings can be done as we normally do it. Everything, whatever we normally do for the regular type of construction, everything can be done with these drywalls. So we have demonstrated. You can come have a look at the entire stall. And also we have our under the group where Weber, where we have actually done our waterproofing and tile adhesive, which has been demonstrated in this particular stall.